Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to replace your AC and heater blower motor, and it is located kind of up underneath. This is the glove box here. It's kind of located up underneath here. So what we're going to do to start off is we need to remove this lower trim cover right here, and in the front here, or the front of the cover, we're just going to pull down on it. There's just some clips that kind of hold it up in there. Just pop it off and then pull straight out on it, and that will release these tabs right here from the back. Alright, and then as you look up underneath here, this is the blower fan motor right here. So we're going to go ahead and unplug it, and to do that there's a tab right there in the front right here. We're just going to press in on it and then pull out on it, and then you can see that there's 3 screws holding it in right there, and then one that you can't see here. So just take a flathead screwdriver and back them out. And once you have those 3 screws out, the whole motor assembly will just kind of drop right out. Then I'm going to take my new fan assembly and just going to make sure it matches with the old one. This is just one I've got off Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below of which one I got. And what I'm going to do is going to place them side by side. Make sure it all looks the same. And it does. So we're going to go ahead and put this new one in. So we'll take our new motor and go ahead and place it up into the hole. And remember, the plug was on this side of the motor, so you want to make sure that's the plug's over there. And you want to make sure all these tabs, the mounting tabs there, kind of line up, and wiggle around and make sure it's seated. And then you just want to take your screws and get them started by hand. And start all 3 of them. And then take your flathead and tighten all of them up. And then take your plug and plug it back in. And then before we put the cover back on, we're going to turn our key onto accessory mode just to make sure the fan works. Turn on accessory mode and then turn your fan on. And it's working good now. So we'll turn the accessory mode off and go ahead and put that cover on. Alright, so when we go to put the cover on, we need to line up. You can see there is this tab here and then this tab there. We want those 2 tabs to go into right here and one into right there. So you slide those in and then go ahead and raise it up and keep an eye on these clips right here. You want those to go up into these little slots right here. Same with, there's a third one over here, same here. You want this one to go up into that slot right there. So you bring it up, and you want to get them all lined up, and then once you get them lined up, just make a fist and clip them in. And that's it, guys. That's how you replace your blower motor. Thanks for watching.